Now that the CAD file has been cleaned up, the contours, face of curb, and walls have been elevated, data that was missing from the CAD file has been added, the takeoff is downhill from here. We are ready to finish the job. We select Assign Site Improvements, and all area-based site improvements highlight. Now, watch how easy Business Center can drop all the structures to subgrade. For the commercial building pad, just click the mouse anywhere inside the building pad. Business Center automatically validates the area by shading it. Then change the site improvement to Equipment Research Area and pick somewhere inside. Notice it didn't fill the whole area. No big deal, just click in the area. We have two trails to the south. Select the Crusher Find Trails and then pick somewhere inside the trails. They shade, and then I can do the maintenance road to the east of them. While we are down here, let's quantify the riprap in the spillway. The instant graphical feedback is great. Once again, all this material I need to bid the job will be in one Excel spreadsheet. And now, the three smooth cobble areas over here. The overall goal is to shade in all of the area-based site improvements. Let's just work across the project. There are 40 light-duty pavement areas in the Trimble building project. I know what you might be thinking. There is only a 4-inch thickness difference between light and heavy-duty pavement. So why not take them all off with the same thickness? It would save time doing the takeoff. We all know the world we live in today, bidding lump sum site work. The bid you turned in, compared to your neighbors, could come down to a few $1,000s or less. Materials are expensive. Having the most accurate quantities to bid from could mean getting the job or watching your competitors do the job you wanted for yourself. Business Center could do this faster than any other method. What would having these capabilities mean to your company? Could you do more takeoffs? If you could do more accurate takeoffs, it could equate to a greater percentage of work for you and your crews. The site is almost filled in. A few more to go. Here is the heavy-duty asphalt. Zoom out. Looks good. Sidewalks normally are a pain in the neck. A lot of estimators I know don't even bother to take them off because they take so long to do. Using Business Center, it doesn't take a long time. Remember, these areas don't have to be closed. If there is a line there, show me what needs to be a sidewalk, it will shade. It is that easy. You know what you have to do now to do what I'm doing. Oops, I forgot a very large concrete area by the building pad. Not a big deal. Click it, it shades. We have a loading dock that is concrete to the south of the Trimble building. Around the building, we have some grass areas that I will take off as sod. These could also be areas where you need to bring in clean topsoil to get grass to grow. I wish getting grass to grow was this easy. I thought I was done, but upon closer inspection, the heavy-duty asphalt isn't right. Look how it shades through this island and that one. The graphical feedback may have saved my bid for coming in too high. Looks like I forgot to include the face of curb, which defines the islands as part of my area-based site improvements. Nothing that can't be fixed. Just tell Business Center that it is an area-based site improvement, and look, it highlights it, telling me that I can assign a site improvement now. All of this can be automated by working from project templates. Now that we told Business Center that we want these areas to be site improvements or subgrade areas, let's grow grass. Just click on each one and watch it grow. Next, we will build our takeoff surfaces and inspect the job in more than several ways to make sure the quantities we see in our spreadsheet are what they need to be to win the bid. If we use Business Center Surface Slice Viewer, we can draw a slice across the job and the profile updates in real time. Looks good, doesn't it? You could see the heavy duty here. Then we go into a landscape area, then cross the concrete walks and into light duty pavement. Now for a 3D view of the subgrades. What do you think? Business Center's assigned site improvements was quick but very accurate. Business Center is making a big difference in the market today. I think you can see why.